Nvidia stock has been on fire lately, shooting up like a rocket. But not everyone agrees on where it's headed next. You see, there's a heated debate in the market about the future of Nvidia stock. Some folks are waving the caution flag, while others shout, "To the moon." So, what's the deal? In this video, we're diving deep into the heart of this stock story. We're going to break down the bear and bull cases for Nvidia, giving you the inside scoop on why this stock is making waves and why some believe it's unstoppable. But first, let me fill you in on Nvidia Corporation. It's a big player in the tech world, based in Santa Clara, California. They design and make things like graphics cards, computer chips, and system-on-a-chip units. Their stuff is used in gaming, fancy visuals, data centers, and cars. Nvidia's GPUs are a big deal, especially in gaming and computers. They're also known for making high-end GPUs that people really like, including gamers, designers, and scientists. They're not just about gaming, though. Nvidia's into some cutting-edge stuff like artificial intelligence and digital twins. This is changing how industries work and how we all live. They've got this thing called Nvidia Omniverse that helps build and run cool stuff in the metaverse, which is like a 3D internet. Nvidia started back in 1993, founded by Jensen Huang, Chris Malachowski, and Curtis Prame. At first, they made graphics chips for PCs. In 1999, they came out with the GeForce 256 GPU, a game changer in 3D graphics. Since then, they've kept innovating and branched out into gaming consoles, data centers, and cars. They're all about pushing tech boundaries and making our digital world better. Now, Nvidia's growth has been nothing short of astonishing. In the past year, they raked in over $13.5 billion in revenue, which is double what they made the previous year. Yes, you read that right, a 100% year-over-year increase. And if that doesn't blow your mind, the stock itself has surged by a jaw-dropping 230% in the current year alone. Now, let's be clear, that kind of performance isn't your everyday occurrence in the stock market. It's the kind of stuff that makes investors sit up and take notice. Nvidia's success can be largely attributed to the booming field of artificial intelligence. You see, AI relies on crunching massive amounts of data, and Nvidia's graphics processing units, or GPUs, are the powerhouse tools for this task. These GPUs are like the engines that fuel AI's capabilities. And guess what? Nvidia makes the best GPUs in the market. Now, when companies are gearing up to dive into the AI game, they don't just buy one or two GPUs. They go big, grabbing thousands of Nvidia's GPUs to supercharge their AI capabilities. That's like having a fleet of Ferraris in the world of AI. So, it's no surprise that as the AI arms race takes off, Nvidia is right there at the starting line, revving its engines. In fact, they expect their revenue to hit around $16 billion in the upcoming third quarter, which is a whopping 170% increase compared to the previous year. That's the kind of growth that's turning heads in the world of tech and investments. In addition, Nvidia's products are in such high demand that they can name their price, and customers are still lining up. See, when you're the go-to choice for GPUs in the AI game, you can charge a premium, and that's exactly what Nvidia's been doing. This has a domino effect on their profitability. Picture this, their profit margins have been doing a victory dance as they sell more high-priced GPUs. It's like making more money per sale and doing it at scale. But in the second quarter, their earnings per share skyrocketed by an eye-popping 843%. Yes, you heard that right. It's a colossal leap in profitability. And what does all this mean for the future? Well, it contributes to a positive outlook for Nvidia's stock. When a company's making bank, especially in the tech world, investors tend to see dollar signs in their eyes, which often reflects in the stock's value. Meanwhile, there are valid concerns lurking in the shadows. Remember that time when cryptocurrency was all the rage, and Nvidia's GPUs were flying off the shelves for mining? Well, just like a rocket that shoots up and then crashes back down, that demand fizzled out. It's a stark reminder that hot trends can cool off pretty fast. Now, let's talk about AI. The current rush to build AI-powered data centers is impressive, no doubt. But here's the big question mark, will this demand sustain itself? Will companies keep coming back for more, or will they eventually say, we've got enough supercomputers for now? The thing is, no one has a crystal ball to predict it. We're in uncharted territory here. Sure, AI might be a game changer, but it might also be a flash in the pan. We're not quite sure how deep the rabbit hole goes, and that's where the uncertainty creeps in. So, as you consider your investment strategy with Nvidia stock, a word of caution is in order. While the company's been on a remarkable run, it's vital not to let it hog your entire investment portfolio. Diversification is the name of the game. Here's why. The tech world can be a wild ride. Trends change, and what's hot today may not be tomorrow. Putting all your eggs in one Nvidia-shaped basket could leave you vulnerable if the unexpected happens. Now, don't get us wrong, Nvidia's got potential, but it's wise to strike a balance. Take some gains off the table at this point. It's like securing your winnings at the casino. By doing so, you lock in your profits and reduce the risk of a sudden market twist wiping out your gains. But before we continue, we want to thank you for watching this far. On the flip side of the coin, a bullish perspective counters those bearish concerns. It's all about the soaring demand for AI chips, and the numbers speak for themselves. See, the appetite for these chips is like an insatiable beast right now. The forecasts say earnings could shoot up by a whopping 56.4% in the next fiscal year. That's a big leap in the world of finance. And let's not forget the tech industry is a land of endless opportunities. Silicon Valley, the heavyweight tech champ, is pouring billions of dollars into AI. It's like betting on the future, and Nvidia, with its picks and shovels role in this AI gold rush, is well positioned to reap the rewards. The tech giants are doubling down on AI, and that's a pretty solid vote of confidence. So, while the bearish outlook raises valid concerns, there's another side to the story, one that's optimistic, fueled by the incredible demand for AI chips and the tech industry's unwavering faith in the AI revolution. It's a reminder that there's often more than one tale to tell in the world of stocks. Furthermore, Nvidia isn't just about producing chips, they've diversified their game. They're not only providing the hardware, but diving headfirst into AI software and services. This move is like having both the tools and the blueprint for the AI revolution. This strategic shift gives Nvidia a substantial edge in the fiercely competitive AI market. Picture it as building a fortress around your castle. They fortified their position by offering a comprehensive package, making it harder for competitors to breach their stronghold. Now, here's the real game changer, these additional revenue streams. While chips are their bread and butter, the software and services side opens up new avenues for income. It's like having multiple streams flowing into your financial river. With this diversified approach, Nvidia is future-proofing itself and ensuring a deep and formidable competitive moat that's tough for rivals to cross. In a nutshell, the bear case for Nvidia points to uncertainties surrounding the sustainability of AI-driven demand, drawing parallels with past market volatility. On the other hand, the bull case highlights robust demand for AI chips, substantial earnings growth, and heavy investments in AI by tech giants. Despite these varying viewpoints, it's crucial to recognize that Nvidia's future looks promising but not without risks. As an investor, weigh both sides of the argument carefully before making any decisions. In this ever-evolving tech landscape, being well-informed is your best strategy. So, as you navigate your investment journey, the question remains, is Nvidia a stock you want in your portfolio? Let us know in the comments section below. And while you're at it, make sure to smash the like and subscribe buttons down below. Additionally, I highly recommend watching this fantastic video if you want to know more about Nvidia stock. Just click this video right here. Thank you for tuning in, and stay tuned for more exciting content in the future.